Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos about stock market. So guys, yes, in this video we'll be discussing about how to find a correct breakout for your trading. Okay, so guys, a lot of people are trading this, that is a breakout trading strategies, like it might be a candlestick pattern breakout strategy or a 15 minutes breakout strategy, or a lot of things are there. So in this you might find a false breakout. Okay, so there is lot of videos on internet which I saw about how to find out a false breakout or how to avoid a false breakout, but in this video I'll be teaching you how to find a correct breakout, and it will be in a very simple manner. Okay, so you don't have to do a lot of technical analysis, or we don't use any indicators or anything like that, but in a simple way I'll be telling you how you can find out a correct breakout and trade it correctly, and how you can avoid the false breakout. Even that I'll be explaining you in a very simple trick and tips. Okay, so to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also, if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also, if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. So you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also, I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day, and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, by being said that, now let me talk about how to find out a correct breakout and how to avoid the false breakout. Okay, so guys, I'll be showing you this with the examples also. So I'll be showing you with a 15 minutes breakout example, and also one of a candlestick pattern breakout example. Got it? So now firstly I'll be showing you the 15-minute candle breakout example. So this is a Vedanta chart of 6th January VDL. Okay, so let's say you're trading on first 15 minutes candle breakout. Okay, let me just mark it. So this is the first 15 minutes candle high and low. Got it? So now let's say you have to trade this candle. Now how to find out whether the breakout what you'll be getting is correct, that is a correct breakout or a false breakout. Okay, so I'll be telling you now in this video. So what you have to do is you have to wait for the next candle to form. Okay, so if you want to trade this 15 minutes candle breakout, wait for the next candle to form and get completed. Okay, once the candle is completed, okay, once this candle looks strong, then trade this candle breakout. Okay, mark this candle high and low, and if a high breaks you can buy, and if the low breaks you can short sell. So now, how to know whether this candle is correct? Okay, so I'll be telling you this now. Right, what you have to do is you have to observe the candle which has given a breakout of first 15 minutes candle, how the candle is formed. Either the candle body is strong, or either the candle is having a more wicks or a shadow. Here, as you can see, this candle is very strong with very less wick, so that means this candle and this breakout what has happened is correct, and yes, you can trade this breakout now. Okay, so now mark this candle high and a low. If a high breaks you can buy, and if a low breaks you can short sell. So now let's see what has happened in the future. So if you come here, so 179 is a high, so if you wait for a breakout to happen and if you have bought it, the stock went all the way till 183.95. yes, more than almost 2% target is achieved here, if you guys can see, according to this stock price. Got it? So yes, so this is how you can identify a correct breakout. You don't have to rush and enter the first 15 minutes candle breakout entry itself. Wait for the next candle to confirm whether the volumes are coming in correct way and the breakout is happening in the correct way. Now let me show you an example of false breakout so that you will understand how it will work. Got it? So this is an example of an 7, that's on the next day, 7 January. So now let me tell you the same example. Let's assume you have to trade the first 15 minutes candle. So mark the high end of the first 15 minutes candle, and here if you guys are thinking to just enter the buy at first 15 minutes candle breakout, here as you guys can see, your stop loss would have hit if you have bought it here, because if you guys can see here, the breakout what has happened is very less. The high was 185.6 here and the stock went only till 186.1. okay, and as you can see this candle here, so this is a breakout candle, what you can see, the red candle, the body is very less and the wicks are more and the shadow are more. So wicks and the shadow both are the same. Okay, so that is, you can see this line, what you can see, the black line above the candle body, so that is a wick, so that should not be there. The candle should look strong as I shown you in the previous day example. So the candle should look strong and the wick should be very less. So let me show you the candle again for previous day. So guys, this was the previous day candle which looked very strong green candle and with very less wick at the bottom. Okay, so here what has happened is very less candle body and a wick is a little bit more here compared to the body. So the breakout has not happened, and if you have bought the stock, the stop loss would have hit here because the stock fell down. And if you guys can see, on the whole day the stock didn't perform much. Okay, so if you have bought it there, your stop loss would have hit, and again you should have taken a re-entry somewhere over here. But even if you have bought it around 186, it just went till 187. So you have to avoid this kind of breakout. Got it? Now let me show you other example. So on 5th of January here, same stock, that is VDL. So let me just mark the first 15 minutes candle high and low, 15 minutes candle high and low. So if you're trading here, so would you take a entry? No, because you can see the candle here, very less body candle and the wicks are there. Okay, and there is no proper breakout, so you should avoid this kind of entry. Now let me show you one of the entry with a candlestick pattern. So let me just check for that. So yes, so guys, here if you can see closely, you can see an inside bar candle pattern has been formed. Okay, so inside bar candle means a candlestick, like two candlesticks. Okay, so this will be a main candle and this will be a secondary candle, and this secondary candle should be inside the body of a first main candle, and the criteria is matching here. So now what you have to do is mark the high and low of this secondary candle which is formed inside this body of next of the candle, and mark the high and low. If a high breaks you will buy, and if the low breaks you will short sell. Got it? So now if you guys can see here, so it is short sell, and low side has given a breakout, and the breakout what has happened here is with a strong candle. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to enter when this candle gives a breakout. You should not enter as soon as you get an breakout on this place. You have to wait for this candle to give a breakout. So this will become a signal candle for you. So here the low is 161.20. So once this candle breaks the low, you can take a entry, and once you take a entry here, as you guys can see, you will be entering at 161 somewhere, and it fell all the way down here. Okay, so as you guys can see here, from 161 to almost 160, the stock has fallen according to the candlestick pattern strategy, if you are following. Okay, so this is how you can identify the correct breakout. Okay, so don't enter at the breakout itself on the first candle breakout. So you can do this on any time frame. If you're trading in any kind of strategy, in any kind of breakout strategy, either it might be in a 5 minutes candle time frame or a 10 minutes candle time frame, it will work the same. Okay, so you should just wait for that proper volume to come in and proper candle to form. So the candle will tell you all the things. Okay, if the candle is having a very less body and a more of a shadow, that means the breakout what has happened is a false breakout. Got it? So you have to observe all these things, and also not only that, you have to keep track of trend also, the market trend. Okay, if you're going for a buy trade, and if the stock is also giving a upper side breakout, that means the breakout is valid, because the market trend is also on the same way, and the breakout what you're getting will also be in the same way. So you can check like that also. Got it? So make sure you check out the market trend also when you're entering, and then following the trend side breakout is also very important. Okay, that's what I said. If the market is in the upper side and if you're getting a buy side breakout, that's a good sign. And if the market is falling and if you're getting a short sell breakout, that's a sell side breakout, then you can take a short sell entry. Got it? So according to the market trend, even if you're getting a breakout, that will be a very good sign. And also checking the market depth will also be very, very important. Okay, so check the market depth, see how the buyers are coming and how the sellers are coming. If the buyers are more and the sellers are less, that means the stock is tending to go up for the next few minutes. So the buying side breakout what you get will be a valid for few minutes, and if the sellers are more and if the buyers are less, that means the stock is coming to fall down in the few minutes. And this market depth value can change anytime suddenly, but you just keep an eye on it and observe, so that you'll get to know briefly how the buyers and sellers are there in the current stock what you're trading. Okay, so this is a little trick and tip about how to find out a correct breakout while you're doing an intraday trading. I hope this tip help you, and if this tip is helping you in intraday trading, do give a like for this video and also subscribe to my channel. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of other educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded, with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.